Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got some work to do on the old junkyard dog today. We're going to finally change that cap and rotor. It's been a long time since I've had these parts. I was going to change the cap and rotor back when I changed the coil on the truck, but some family business come about, and it was more important to take care of that. So, that being said, let's get this door opened up over here and start working on that truck. Alright, so looking under the hood, first thing we're going to have to do is take this this air box off of here, and right below that is the cap and rotor right under there. Okay, so the easiest way to deal with these spark plug wires on the cap is you could take a silver Sharpie and you could write each number on each spark plug for whatever cylinder it goes to on both sides, or you could just take the plugs off one by one and replace it from here to the new one. So I mean that's the easiest two ways to do it. Alright, so the one thing you have to remember when you're changing your rotor is make sure you put it in the exact same position the old one came off. Usually that's in the 11 o'clock position. With this particular rotor, I got two different size screws, so I'll just have to see what size comes off with the old one and replace them accordingly. And it's a T15 Torx bit. Yeah, T15 Torx bit. Alright, so the new rotor's on. It's screwed in, and I just got to finish putting the spark plug wires on this new cap and get it bolted down. Well, there she is. She's all put together. And all I have to do is put the air box back in, and we'll see if this bad boy starts. Okay, so before I shit can these, I just wanted to show you. This is the old rotor. You probably can't see it, but it's pretty roached. It's looking pretty bad. And this is the inside of the cap. Really very good, just wore out. So that might have been my issue. Well, there you go. Cap and rotor are changed. She's purring like a kitten. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We love you. We'll catch you next time. If you like this content, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And don't forget to leave a comment, because we love to talk to you guys. Thanks for watching.